For 60 years, Marathon Petroleum Company has been a proud member of the Southwest Detroit community. Our employees welcome our responsibility to be a good neighbor, and we're excited about what's possible when we work together. Like our $2 million donation to help renovate the Kemeny Community Center.
The $2 million donation for Marathon is so important. It shows that they're good corporate sponsors. But more importantly, I'm out in the community all the time, and the number one question I hear as a complaint is oftentimes, what is big business doing as far as the youth in the city of Detroit? We want the recreation centers open. So with this huge investment here in this recreation center, it's going to mean the world to our youth. Oftentimes we say our youth is our future, but our youth is our right now.
This building had been closed for several years, and prior to it closing, it was in dire need of some much needed renovations, and so with Marathon's contribution, it made it all possible. And so we couldn't be more happier and thankful with the donation that Marathon has provided for this community and for the city of Detroit.
To celebrate the newly renovated Kemeny Center, the Marathon Petroleum Refinery also sponsored a summer celebration where we provided food, activities, games, and giveaways. Dozens of our employees volunteered to help make the celebration possible, and hundreds of our neighbors came to enjoy the day's activities.
Marathon committed to the reconstruction of the Kemeny Center about 10 years ago. We felt that this was an integral part of the community. As being a member of that community, we felt that we needed to do this to supply a place for people to meet, have athletic events, and basically provide a recreational outlet for the young kids you see here today.
Marathon Petroleum has been a part of Southwest Detroit since 1959. We are proud of our 60 years here and look forward to being a good neighbor for decades to come.